So yeah, I'm back in my kitchen and we're gonna make another cake. Yay! I think this time I've learned my lesson and I think I'm actually gonna make a decent cake this time. So let's get started. I already forgot to get a bowl. Going great so far. Okay, so this time, to make things easier on myself, first thing I'm gonna do is measure everything. So, I'm gonna do that now. Let's grab some cups. Like some random cups, but I don't mind getting annihilated. Okay, so first we have 2 cups of white sugar. So where is my cup? Here's my cup. Here we go. Where's the sugar? Oh, it's right in front of me. Okay, so 1 and 3 cups. Okay. Oh, I already messed up. Oh god. Ah. Was that 1/2 or 1 1/2? We're going with it. So I just need to do that 3 more times. 2 more times. Now we have another thing of it, but I still want to use a bit of this. It's pure peppermint extract, and I think it would be cool to have just a little bit. I'm just gonna do maybe just like that much, maybe. And then I'll. Ooh, smells good. Finish it off with the last teaspoon of vanilla extract. Oh, God dang it! I didn't know there was still some extract in the teaspoon thing, and I spilled it on my fingers. Yeah. Okay, that took like 15 minutes. But now that we have everything done, or like that, we just have to put them all together, right? And that can't be that hard, right? Yeah. I mean, I'm sure I'll find a way to screw it up. Where did I? Okay, so this time I left the butter out to thaw, but I don't actually know where. Wait a sec. Wait, I don't even need butter. Oh, okay, well, I guess I don't need butter. Alright. Step 1, preheat oven 350. Why didn't I do that before? Okay, now that was done. The bowl, sugar, flour, cocoa, baking powder and soda, salt. I have a whisk. So now we're just gonna just stir it. Okay, so now we have to add the eggs, milk, oil, and our vanilla. Oh wow, I have to show you guys this. This looks so cool. I think that looks pretty darn cool. So now we have to just stir for 2 minutes on medium speed of mixer. But I'm gonna use my hands. I mean my whisk. I got cocoa powder on my shirt. Today's video is sponsored by the subscribe button. The first 100 people to click it will get a metaphorical cookie. Okay. Now add the boiling water last. Now to add the boiling water last. it smells like hot cocoa. Probably because it's cocoa powder and hot water. So it said batter will be thin. Batter is like water thin. So I think that's a good sign. I think we did something right, besties. Okay. So now, is my oven preheated yet? No, I don't think it is because I started it late. So, oh, look how much cocoa that would have been on my okay, well, I guess it doesn't matter because there's already a ton on my shirt. Sure. Okay. I'm gonna go wash these all out and let this sit for a sec. And when we get back, hopefully my oven has preheated and we'll be ready to bake our redemption cake. Yeah! So now I guess we just pour it in. I don't want to waste any of this batter. I'm just kidding. I'm lazy. Okay. Okay, got my mint, so I'm just gonna plop in the oven. I'll see you then. Now, I'm gonna clean up and edit this video while we wait, and I'll keep you guys posted on when it's all done. Here it is. Yeah. Jiggly. It looks pretty nice. Good cake. So I think I'm just gonna decorate it with some like sprinkles and maybe if we have frosting. I don't think we do though. And then I will take a slice and give you guys the final rating. So yeah. Okay, so I got some powdered sugar, which I think will work pretty well. Just gonna tap. Stir it around. Alright, do 2 things of this because oops, like the holes are literally so small. Okay. Oh, there we go. Let's really get some dust action. Okay, there we go. So here we have our cake. I'll see if we have sprinkles. Yes, we do have sprinkles, so we only have the cold ones. So I'm just gonna pour some in my hand and from there. So there we go, my redemption cake. So now let's head to the table and try it out. I'm so excited. So here we are with the cake. I invited my sister to try it, but she said she did not want to. So I guess we're just gonna get a piece. I'm gonna get a knife. I have a knife. So now, oh god, it's jiggling. The whole thing is jiggling. It's like jello. Okay, so now. Okay, we got our piece. Put it over there, I guess. Okay. Okay. So let's try this cake. I'm very excited. I'm gonna pull up a chair. It just looks like a black mass on camera. I'm gonna turn the light on. Okay, I don't think the light really helps for sure. So, I'm just gonna take off a piece. Actually, I'll just take this. I hate that sound. So now, definitely better than last time's cake. It is a good cake. yeah, I will rate it probably an 8 out of 10 because it got just a little bit burnt, but also some bits of it are a little undercooked, so don't really know what I should have done. Honestly, I really like it. This is a great cake. If I remember, then I'll leave the link to the recipe in the description. Yeah. Also, I can just barely taste the peppermint I put in. Yeah, really good. Fantastic cake. Okay. Bye, guys. I'm gonna finish editing this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Love you, Spoodle Crew.